Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Today we're going to do some live training, and that live training is going to be on how to trade this NQ. A lot of people mess up on NQ and don't know how to trade it, so what I'm going to do is show you how to do it. A very small fee. You can go to the live training, right? Go to my website, spymoneyllc.com, right up here. Click on live training courses. We're going to start doing these more often. A very small fee, only $50, and you'll get the past recording. So if you want to buy it now, even after the training has already been done, you can buy it and get the training on it. So what you do is click on the image. When you click on that, it'll open up. You add it to your cart, and when you add it to your cart, you will have it. Now, if you're a SpyBot leaser, you get this for free. It don't cost you a dime. So the people that are leasing SpyBot will get this free. But I go over different setups, what you can do to, why I entered at certain times and such, and how you can make the money and build your bank accounts up. So that's the main thing. I want to help you guys. A very small fee, $50. If you are a SpyBot lease user, this is free. You'll get it all for free. So if not, pay the small $50 and you'll get this training and take care of you. This is going on today at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. Eastern time. Um, this is Friday. So we're going to start at 10 o'clock sharp. That's in about 35 minutes from now. So get on here and get this done. If you go ahead and sign up for it, you're going to get a link inside that gives you a registration in order to get signed up so you can do it. It's interactive, so if you've got questions, you're going to be able to ask questions, and I'll answer them as we go. Not sure how long it's going to last. No time. Just want to get all the questions answered, and probably 1 to 2 hours long, something like that. Definitely get your money's worth. One trade will pay for it in one setup. Hope to see you there.